10,000 tongues, it still wouldn't be enough to tell you how grateful I am for everything you've done. There were days I lost my strength. There were nights sleep was hard to come. But through it all, you never stopped being God. When I look back at my life, I can see your hand every step of the way. For every season